In number one, we want to find the missing angles in the rectangle. So inside the rectangle right now, we have a 31-degree angle. Remember that our diagonals are all bisected, so it creates four isosceles triangles. So the triangles on the left and right are all going to have base angles of 31. Remember in a rectangle that the angles at the vertices are 90 degrees, so we can subtract 31 to get those angles are 59. Then to find the missing angle in the center, we can focus on one triangle and subtract two of the angles. So 180 minus 59 is going to get us 62 degrees. And then on the left and right triangle, 180 minus 31 is going to get us 118 degrees. In the next one, we want to find the missing angles in a rhombus. So in a rhombus, remember that your diagonals are perpendicular, so it's going to create four right angles. We also know that our opposite angles are bisected. So all of these angles are 21. We can subtract 21 and 90 to get the missing angles then are going to be 69 degrees. In our next one, Hawk is a parallelogram. Solve for x and y. So HS is 2x plus 10. SW is 22. KS is 5x plus 16. And this whole diagonal is 46. So remember, in a parallelogram, your diagonals bisect each other. So to solve for x, we have 2x plus 10 is equal to 22 because they're each half of a diagonal. 2x equals 12, so x equals 6. To solve for y, though, we have a half of a diagonal and the full diagonal length. So we need to multiply that half diagonal by 2 to get our full diagonal length. So we have 10y plus 32 equals 46. We can subtract 32. 10y equals 14. So we divide, we get 7/5. In our next problem, we have an exterior angle and the remote interior angles. Remember that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the remote interior. So 14x minus 5 is equal to 4x plus 3 plus 5x plus 1. When we combine like terms, 14x minus 5 equals 9x plus 4. We get 5x minus 5 equals 4. 5x equals 9. So x is going to be 9/5. A polygon has 20 diagonals. Find the sum of interior angles. So remember that our formula to find the diagonals is n times n minus 3 over 2. We can multiply both sides by 2. N squared minus 3n is equal to 40. Move everything to the n squared side. And we can factor. So we have n minus 8 and n plus 5 equals 0. We switch our signs. N is 8, n is negative 5. We can't have a negative side. So to find SI then, it is 180 times the number of sides minus 2. So we have 180 times 8 minus 2, which is 6 times 180. That gets us 1,080 degrees. In our second one, each interior angle of a regular polygon is 156 degrees. Find the number of sides. So if we know that each interior is 156, it's easier to find the exterior by subtracting from 180. So we get 24 degrees. The formula for exterior angles is 360 over n equals 24. So we can solve for our number of sides. 360 equals 24n. We divide by 24. We get 15, so we have 15 sides.